Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Hi neighbors, welcome to another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Today I'm out in the garden and I'm going to be planting Agapanthus. Agapanthus is one of my favorite landscaping plants, especially here in Zone 10. It does very well in dry, arid, warm climates, and although it does need water. They get about 3 feet, about 1 meter in diameter, so they take up a nice amount of space, and they have beautiful flowers. They send out a stalk that makes a little ball of smaller flowers about the size of a grapefruit. So there'll be 15, 20, maybe little smaller flowers in a ball shape, and they'll be, depending on the variety, they're anywhere from a very light blue to a dark blue, indigo, almost purple. And so they're gorgeous. They flower pretty much for maybe 6 to 9 months of the year. They're pretty low maintenance too. So they're a great plant for landscaping. We want to fill some spaces here in the front yard. So I'm going to plant one here and one over there. Sharon got these on the discount rack at our local garden center for, I think, $5 for a contain just one of these, but she split it into, I think, 4 different parts. And so I'm going to be planting a couple of these today to get them in the ground. We've got a rainstorm coming in tomorrow, and it's going to be lasting most of the week. So these will get really well watered in, and then we'll take off. All right, so let's get these in the ground. I'll set it aside for now. Just clear the space here. Just spread the mulch. I think this was to mark the spot. Okay, so let's get the shovel. Look at that. Yeah, looks like something else was planted here. You can see the potting soil. You can see the vermiculite in there. More vermiculite. All right, well, this one's looking good. The scientific name is Agapanthus, but these are commonly known as lily of the Nile. Although, as usual, they're not really lilies, and they're actually from the southern part of Africa, so not really by the Nile. But you can see the foliage is very much like a lily. It will grow into this big leafy mound with flowers come up out of it. So we really love these. We're going to plant another one kind of right behind where you are right now. So let me turn the camera and we'll do that one. All right, so let's get this one on the ground. This one's going to be a little trickier because we have cardboard under here, but it looks like, oh, we're in luck. We have a space in between them here. Plant it right there. Ready to plant. Yeah. Put some water on there. That looks good. I got two of the Agapanthus in the ground, and we're going to be watching them over the rest of winter into spring. I'll show you when they start to blossom. Leave a comment below. Do you like Agapanthus? Do you grow them in your garden? How are they growing, and where do you put them? Leave us a comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.